Let's find the value for this expression. So here 8 minus 2, 6. Then 8 minus 2, 6. So 6 6 are 36. But this is the wrong answer. Because according to order of operation, which is PEMDAS rule, here first we have to solve the parenthesis, means bracket part, then exponent, then multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So here you have to remember one point, that is, in multiplication division both have equal priorities. So you have to go from left to right. Same for addition and subtraction. So here, what is the correct answer? So let's solve. So here first we will solve this parenthesis, that is bracket part. So 8 minus 2 times 8 minus 2 is what? 6. Then here multiplication part will solve. So 8 minus 6 2s are 12. So your correct answer is minus 4.